Here we have a freshly restored 1977 CB550. It's a collection of parts collected over the last few years that are all the best of the best that I could find. It took over a year to find this exhaust. These tend to rot out, and this one's in really nice shape. All the proper hardware where it should be. All the cables and wiring are routed like factory. Chrome is perfect inside and out. You can see the inside there. No rust where there normally is. Restored the clocks, set them back to 0. This bike had about 14,000 when I started the restoration. The original gas tank, unrestored, original paint. It's beautiful. And this is actually the 1-year only brown seat that Honda made. And it's actually made for a Super Sport, but I could not put the 77 King and Queen seat on this thing. Couldn't get myself to do it. Everything else is original the way it should be. It's got Buchanan stainless spokes and nipples, polished hubs, new bearings, powder coated caliper. It's got the NOS Honda pads. All the covers are polished, all new hardware in the motor. Nothing was re-chromed. It's all the chrome you see is original from the 70s, and like I said, just collected over the years of the best stuff I could find.